Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can archive and restore already deleted issues and work items within your projects on your Jira site. So let us dive right into it, guys. So what you want to do in the first step is access your Jira site, of course. To do that, head over to Google, type in Jira and select, for example, that search into here or that one here. And after that, you will be redirected to your Atlassian account. So log into it. And here, guys, to the left, you will see all Atlassian applications, including Trello, Jira, and any other you have joined. So for this method, you will need to click into Jira here and hit the right select simply your Jira site. As you can see, I have created 4 of them. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use that Jira site here. So guys, there are basically 2 different ways how you can archive and also delete as well as restore deleted issues in your project. One way would be to simply go through your projects and after that apply the given action to the given work item or issue. Alternatively, guys, and that's option number 2, you may bulk delete issues and work items through the filter section. We're going to show you how to do that step by step in the latter part of the video. So guys, option number 1, accessing your work items and issues through your projects. So what you want to do is expand that list here to the left, projects, and simply select one of your ongoing projects in your Jira site, like for example a Scrum board or a Kanban project. Or you may create a completely new one by clicking into this plus button here, create project. Now, we're not going to do this to not waste your time, guys. Let me just head over to this Kanban project here for demonstration purposes. Next, head over to the list view. Alternatively, you may also click into all work here. For example, if we're in a Kanban project, that's at least my personal approach, guys, because list as well as all work give you the best overview, at least in my opinion, of all of your work items and issues. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into the given work item. Let me go, for instance, with that one here. You may click into that key here. That is going to redirect you to that details and customization window for the given issue. So there are several actions you can take here, guys. So what you want to do is click into these 3 dots in the top right, actions here. And from there, decide whether you'd like to archive your work item or issue or delete it. For instance, you may also assign a parent issue if you like, move it to a different location, and so on and so forth. For this method, guys, we're interested into these 2 actions, archive and delete. So let us archive that work item first, and after that also delete an issue or work item for demonstration purposes. So let me click into archive. After that, Jira will ask you for confirmation that you're about to archive this work item, guys. So make sure that you're 100% convinced to do this. Remember also that not only the given work item will be archived, but also any subtasks that are connected to the given parent task. And yeah, so if you want to do this, guys, click into archive here. You can always unarchive or restore these archived work items later through that archives link here. So let me do that really quickly. Now, guys, if you'd like to visit your archived items inside your project later and don't know how to do that, don't worry, because you can enable the archived item as a separate view for your project. So to do that, head over to navigation bar here at the top under your project name. And if you don't see the archived items, guys, simply click into that plus button here and select archived work items and click into add to navigation here to add it to your navigation bar. So click into archived work items here. That is going to redirect you to that list of archived work items. Now you can use that search bar here or simply go through that list and select the work item or issue you would like to restore by selecting the checkbox here to the left and confirm by clicking into restore here at the bottom. Confirm. And that is going to move your work item back to your board or list view or backlog view so that you can keep customizing and editing it. So that's how you archive and unarchive issues on Jira. To delete, guys, to delete these work items, do the same. Simply click into the given issue to access its detailed overview here. And here to the right, click into these 3 dots and select delete, just like that. Type delete into this field here to confirm that. So let me do that really quickly. Confirm by clicking into this button. And after that, the given work item or issue will be deleted, as you can see. Now, unfortunately, unlike the archived items folder or view, there is no trash folder for deleted issues separately here on Jira. So we will need to use one of the applications provided by Jira itself through their library. So to do that, expand the apps overview here to the left and click into explore more apps. After that, use that search bar, type in restore or restore deleted issues. And after that, pick any of these applications below. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. After that, install it by clicking into this button in the top right corner. Wait for the installation to be finished. Click into this button at the bottom. Give the permissions to access your projects and your Jira site if needed. So let me go with this application here. So after that, the installation will be launched. You will see the progress here in the bottom left corner, as well as a notification once the given application has been installed. So let us give it a second and I'll see you guys just in a moment. And there you go. As you can see, the application has been successfully installed. Click into get started here. So in this case here, guys, you will need to get redirected to this to these instructions here. So what you want to do is simply follow these instructions. These instructions may vary, of course, depending on the exact application you installed. So in this case here, I will need to visit my admin page to get a better overview of all deleted issues. And now with that application installed, I will be given the opportunity to restore issues that have been listed here, to restore them. So that's basically it. And so that's how you delete and restore issues and work items on Jira. And then guys, let me also show you how you can bulk delete issues in your Jira site using a simple method. So what you want to do is head back to your project overview, click into or expand the filter section in the top left corner, select search work items here and below all work items. And after that, guys, you will be given access to that long list of all work items and issues within your entire Jira site. So to bulk select them, simply click into that checkbox in the top left corner that is going to show you how many of them have been selected. You may also click into select all if you like, and after that, simply click into delete here to the right to delete them all at once. Again, you will be asked by Jira to confirm that by typing in delete into this field here and to click into this button. Now, I'm not going to do this because I would like to keep these issues and work items, but that's in general, guys, how you archive, unarchive, delete, and restore issues and work items on Jira in 2025. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.